Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya.
Welcome to Alex and Maya Science Lab.
Look at this. It is so shiny. It looks like a piece of a fallen star.
That is a crystal. See how it has straight edges and flat sides? It is nature's own jewelry.
Can we make one right now? Can we grow them overnight?
We can. Some take thousands of years, but we can grow some in our very own kitchen while we sleep. A crystal is made of molecules that snap together in a perfect repeating pattern, like building blocks.
So they are atoms holding hands in a perfect line?
Exactly. When the liquid they are in cools down, they grab onto each other and freeze into that shape. To grow them fast, we use Epsom salt. We mix 1 cup of hot water with 1 cup of salt. This is a saturated solution.
It is in the jar. Now we put it in the fridge. But first, a question for everyone. What shape will these crystals be tomorrow? Will they be round like balls or skinny like needles?
Epsom salt crystals grow into long, thin shapes that look like tiny needles.
So cool. Here's another guess. Do crystals grow faster in hot air or cold air?
Cold air. The fridge helps the molecules slow down and stick together much faster. Did you know every snowflake is a crystal? And salt and sugar are crystals too. In Mexico, there is a cave of crystals with giant crystals as long as a school bus.
A bus? Those must have taken a long time to grow.
Hundreds of thousands of years. Our jar in the fridge is much faster.
Quick quiz. Is a snowflake a crystal?
Yes. Now you try it at home. Mix salt and hot water with a grown-up and put it in the fridge.
Let's do the rhyme. Molecules in a row. Watch them start to grow. Shiny, bright, and light. Grown just overnight.
Keep exploring. Goodbye.
See you next time.